How to make money when the market is going sideways or down. G'day, my name is Ben from Collective Shift. I've been investing in crypto for 5 years and a bear market is super boring. I feel you right now, we're sort of chopping around whether we're bull or bear. The reality is there's not much action going on. So what can you do to take advantage of this period? Because I actually believe that this is the most important period for you to make money in the long term. So there's a few different strategies today. There's going to be 4 or 5 I'm going to walk you through. Actionable takeaways to help you think about ways to actually view this as an opportunity, not a boring period where you take your attention away from crypto and potentially miss out on awesome gains and opportunities in the long run. So let's get into it. Number one is, first of all, staking or lending your crypto. Now, I don't do this personally right now because I'm actually heavily invested into a couple of NFTs and also some early stage crypto opportunities. And my Bitcoin is currently back in Australia, my ledger, and I'm just generally not that excited right now to earn 8 or 10% because I'm pretty risk on. But if you are risk off and you want to sort of go back into stables or maybe load up your Ethereum or something like that and start to stake your crypto, that could be a great way to do it. So there's a couple of different ways to think about staking. One is centralized exchanges. The other one is decentralized exchanges. So some centralized exchanges, Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, CoinSpot, SwiftX, these sort of platforms. All a lot easier to use. However, they do take your crypto. You have to give them your crypto, potentially less competitive rates, and a little bit of trust platform risk. However, the DeFi platforms, you can be getting some pretty good yield. Something like UST, you can be earning up to 10%, and you don't usually you're giving them as much of a percent. So, whether it be Avalanche, Terra, etc., you can use that inside the Web3 platform. So, pretty exciting there for staking your crypto. That's number one. Number two is taking advantage of research. So right now is the time to learn. For me, NFTs has been where I'm going super deep as of late. And I've been piling into this space because I'm seeing a minority of people actually understand NFTs and the majority do not understand. And they're actually going, you know what, I don't understand this. It's a scam. It's a Ponzi scheme. You're losing all your money. And I saw this because I posted on LinkedIn a couple of weeks ago about Moonbirds. And 95% of the comments was telling me how much I don't know what I'm talking about. So that for me was the indicator that I need to be looking more into this because the majority aren't looking into this space, the minority are. And that's where I've made my money mostly in crypto the last 5 years, is looking at opportunities. Crypto, we're all early adopters here. You and I were here early. The reason you're watching this video is because you know your shit. We are seeing opportunities before the majority coming in. Crypto is a generational wealth transfer. You've heard all this stuff before. So research into new opportunities, new trends, new ecosystems. It's exactly what we do here at Collective Shift, helping you see the next trend. And I guarantee if you do that and spend a little bit of time looking and investing and dabbling in this market right now, you're going to make those opportunities down the line. Number three, an affiliate program. So Collective Shift has an amazing affiliate program. Paid out in cash, you can earn up to 30% commissions for each member you sign up ongoing, 90-day cookie, unlimited income, 30%. So if you have a friend or family member that wants to get into crypto, or they're already in crypto and you think Collective Shift will be a great resource for them to come in, see our investments, see our portfolios, see what we're buying, see what we're selling, see the latest airdrops, research, tutorials, education, the whole kit and caboodle, you can send them a unique link and you can earn 30% of their recurrent commission on every monthly subscription that they sign up for, which is huge. We've got a lot of affiliates that are making a considerable amount of money. So jump over there, collectiveshift.io/affiliates to do that. Centralized lending to earn yield. So you can obviously do lending as well. So some of these platforms, BlockFi, Nexo, Celsius, Binance, FTX, you can start to earn a yield. So custodial lending platforms where you're trusting your crypto with those businesses to run the platforms. Examples of BlockFi, Gemini, Coinbase, you can lend your crypto. So you're basically being the bank. You give your crypto, then they lend it out to someone that wants to lend, and then you earn the yield or a percentage of the yield. Non-custodial lending platforms where you maintain the custody, examples are Aave and Compound. There's this site here called DeFi Lend Rate. So you can jump over here and see the best lending rates, interest rates for April. That can be super handy. And there's also risk to this, right? There's always risk in everything. So you can, I'll drop this link below, but you can see the different links based on the centralized and non-centralized. You've got insurance, limit on withdrawals, lockup periods, centralization, platform risk, those sorts of things. So please be careful whenever you're lending your crypto. and ask some questions. Here's some basic questions. What assets do you support? Are your funds insured? How's your interest paid? And is the yield term locked or flexible? So there's some questions to get you started on the lending side of things. Airdrop's another great place to start. We've seen a lot of our members, and across the crypto community make a lot of money in airdrops recently. So we've actually laid out some blockchains here where you can get some action steps based on our research for the most potential to receive an airdrop. So ZK Sync, head over and create a wallet, use the Zigzag Exchange Bridge funds. We think that is a 5-star opportunity for a down the line airdrop. Starknet, Arbitrum, Optimism, Cosmos, get in and use these platforms. Just create a wallet, use the app, whatever it is. Just get some money through their credit account because they reward users using that platform for down the line rewards. So jump over and check that out. Wallets, MetaMask have hinted. So if you don't have a MetaMask already, you probably should download that. Some bridges, DeFi platforms, NFTs, and some collections. So we've also started collecting some NFT investments that we think will have the high likelihood of airdrops down the line. Whether it be World of Women, Crypto Coven, we own Moonbirds, there's a few others, and we've also got our top analysts' thoughts on how they're going to be executing their airdrop opportunity here. Also getting into a community that you like. So jumping over into Discord, Collective Shift, we've got an amazing Discord that's constantly active when you want to learn about NFTs, you want to network, you want to meet new people. It's an amazing opportunity to get new alpha and see what the other investors across the world are doing. So join a Discord you like. We've got a free one you can join over Collective Shift and start to learn. View these top tutorials, get back in the basics and understand, go back, learn all these things because you're going to pick up some alpha along the way. I recently went back in and I learned about transferring things on OpenSea and looking at tax advantages, learning about tax, looking about ways I can sort of minimize my tax bill at the end of the year. So some great ways to look into and learning during that period. And last but not least, reinvesting. This is the time for accumulation. Time and time again, I made the most money when I was investing back in 2018. Bitcoin went down to 6,000, 5,000. No one was talking about crypto. It was a scam, it was a Ponzi scheme, and everyone ran for the hills. That's the time to buy. When there's blood in the streets, be greedy when people are fearful, and fearful when people are greedy. Accumulate during this phase. The institutions are coming. We know this. The sovereign wealth funds. All these people are going to have allocations to Bitcoin and crypto. And it's not sexy right now. It's not interesting or fascinating because the retail aren't here. There's not a lot of price action. But there are some great opportunities right now to keep dollar cost averaging in your favorite projects. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Terra, Aave. Your blue chips, continue dollar cost averaging into the ones you've got most conviction in because they will pay off in the long term. And if you don't know what investments to buy, Collective Shift, we've got this amazing Our Investments portfolio where we're investing on-chain directly inside the platform here. And we're smashing it. Our NFT portfolio is up a couple 100%. Our long-term growth is up nearly 7% against Bitcoin. Early stage opportunities up nearly 70% against USD. And we started this in September in the middle of a bear market. We've made some great investments, which you can jump in there and check it out. $1 for 7 days. Educate yourself. This is the time to educate yourself because you're going to make those returns down the line when everyone comes in. When everyone piles in and crypto's going like this, that's the time to rotate out, not get in and chase the hype. I hope that's been helpful. Please like and subscribe if you like these videos. Comment below on what your favorite ways are to make money in crypto. Is there something I haven't covered here? Is there something you don't agree with? Things you do agree with? As I mentioned, the affiliate program is a great way. Our investments, research, education, staking, yield. There's so many opportunities. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and I'll chat to you again soon. Thanks. Bye for now.